English final activity. Who I am? My name is Jessica Paula Caicedo Sarmiento. I'm from Chocontá, but I live in Tocancipá 9 years ago. I'm studying industrial engineering. This is my family. He is my husband. His name is Edwin Alvarez. He is 33 years old, and he is the love of my life. I have 3 beautiful daughters, and they are Luciana. Luciana is 8 years old, and she loves to sing. She is Isabella. Isabella is a pretty curly girl. She is 8 years old. She is Salome. Salome is the little girl of the family. She loves the pets. My parents. He is my daddy, and he is 60 years old, and she is my mommy. She is 55 years old. They live in Chocontá. They are my brothers. Joan is 35 years old, and David is 30 years old. They live in Bogotá. And they are my niece and my nephew. Ana Maria is 11 years old, and Emmanuel is 3 years old. They live in Villavicencio. They are my pets. Coco, Honey, Pacha, Perla, and Dante. I love them so much. And who is he? He is the doctor of our family. His name is James. He is from Medellin, but now is living here in Tocancipá.